So welcome back to the channel. So there's a question here and a few statements have been given और उसमें से उन statements को हमें select करना है which hold true for non-chordates, right? Non-chordates के लिए जो statements correct हैं उन्हें हमें select करना है और accordingly correct option को choose करना है. तो first statement is pharynx is perforated by gill slits. This is present in chordates. Pharynx होता है common pathway for air and food और उसमें gill slits का presence होता है aquatic chordates में basically, which help in respiration and filtration of food. So this is not present in non-chordates. Now notochord is absent. Notochord है flexible rod like structure in the embryonal stage जो आगे चलकर backbone बनाता है. ये भी chordate का feature है, तो non-chordates में absent है. So this statement is correct. Now central nervous system is dorsal. ये condition होता है chordates में. Central nervous system comprises of brain and spinal cord. Dorsal होता है back side और ventral होता है front side, जो हमारा towards the ground जो part है that is the ventral. तो ये dorsal position होता है हमारा chordates में और non chordates में ventrally ये located होता है. So this statement is also not true for non chordates. Now heart is dorsal if present. तो ये dorsal position of heart is present in non chordates, तो ये हमारा correct है और chordates में हमारा ventral side में heart present होता है. तो this statement is correct for non chordates basically. Now post anal tail is absent. तो पोस्ट एनल टेल प्रेजेंट होता है कॉर्डेट्स में. ये मस्कुलर स्केलेटल स्ट्रक्चर होता है विच हेल्प्स इन स्विमिंग, बैलेंसिंग एट्सेट्रा. ये एनल पोजीशन के बियॉन्ड ये प्रेजेंट होता है पोस्ट एनल टेल. सो दिस इज अ कॉर्डेट फीचर. so if it is absent, so this is true for this statement will be true for non-chordates. That means it is absent basically. So statements B, D, E are correct. So we have to select option number 3. So this is the correct answer, right? So for more such videos, tune into my channel and thank you so much for watching.